Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Teamdeck and Ora. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new booking is added in Teamdeck, it will automatically create a card in Ora. Now Teamdeck is an awesome resource management tool and Ora is a list building application. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Teamdeck to Ora. But there is one minor problem. There is actually no integration between Teamdeck and Ora. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Teamdeck and Ora. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get the access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as Teamdeck to Ora. Teamdeck to Ora. Then click on create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Teamdeck, because we want to send the data from Teamdeck. Now in the trigger event, there is only one trigger event called as configure webhooks. Click this. Now configure webhook is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question: if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a webhook is configured, then what action should be taken by the system? At present, there is only one trigger event, that is configure webhook. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new booking is created. Okay, so since we are interested in integrating Teamdeck to Pabbly Connect, let's have a visit to Teamdeck. So this is my Teamdeck account. And to begin the integration process, just click on this button, gear button, settings. Okay, so scroll down. So this is the settings page and just scroll down to the integrations. Click this. Okay, now go to this part called as webhooks. Click this. Okay, so as you can see, I already have created a webhook called as gold. Now I'm going to create another webhook for this particular workflow, that is silver. Okay, and if you want, we can actually delete this webhook. So I'm deleting this. Remove. Okay, so now in the payload URL, you just have to put in this URL. This is the webhook URL it wants. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, and just click on this plus. Okay, so it is showing the webhook has been created. Excellent. So basically this means that we have integrated Teamdeck and Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new task is made in Teamdeck, Pabbly Connect has to capture this data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures the data, let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on this button, capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So how about we go to Teamdeck? Let's go to dashboard. Okay, and let's go to calendar. Okay, so how about we create a project? So the project this project I'm going to allow is the person I'm going to allow is about this guy called as Tyson. Okay, I'm going to allow this project to Tyson, and the project is to wash cars. We have a project called as Tesla. Yes, okay, and the start date is on 7th. The end date can be mentioned as 17, and time per day is 8 hours. Okay, let's ignore that, and tags can be billable, and the description is maintain Tesla. Okay, so a booking called as maintain Tesla has been created for this person called as Tyson. So let me just click on save. Okay, so a booking has been created. Now since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Teamdeck, let's have a visit to Pabbly Connect to see whether data has been captured or not. Yes, it is showing the data has been captured. So as you can see, the type is booking created, and this is the date. Okay, and this is the date, and we have the description. Where is the description? Yes, maintain Tesla. Excellent. Okay, so now we have to sync in this detail to Ora to create a card, but there is one minor problem. So as you can see, if you can read, so the webhook will be triggered on the following events. Okay, so the webhook will be triggered on the following events. The events are when a new booking is created, when a new booking is updated, booking deleted, when a new entry is created, time entry deleted, and so on. Now the data is being sent when the booking is created, updated, or deleted. We only want to create a card in Ora when a booking is made. So let me show you with a flowchart, you will understand it better. So this is the flowchart I'm talking about. So we want to set up a system which creates a card only when a booking is made, not for updated or deleted. Okay, so if you get the process, we just want to create a card when a booking is created, not for updated or deleted. So in order to dissociate the cases where the booking is created from the cases where the booking is either updated or deleted, we have to bring in the routers. Okay, so your obvious question is, what are routers? So routers are basically options by which you can direct your data to different streams based on the conditions you add here. In this case, this is our router. If the booking is made, then well, we will just create a card in Ora. If it is on any other activity other than booking creation, it ends there only. Okay, so to bring in the routers, all you have to do is just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, a window appears in front of you. So this is called as the action window. Now in the choose app, how about we make it as routers? Okay, router. Okay, so as you can see, it is already showing two steps. Okay, so this is the one step, route 1, and this is the other step, that is route 2. If you want, you can add more additional routes, but at present I just want to send the data when a new booking is created. And for the second route, if the booking is either updated or deleted, it will just end here. Okay, so let me edit this. It will really help you to understand. Okay, so if the booking is created. Okay, so this is the route 1. I just clicked on update, and then we have the route 2. Okay, so I'm just going to rename this. If the booking is updated or deleted or anything else, just stop. Okay, just click on update. Okay, if the booking is created, okay, how about we rename it as then create a Ora card. Okay, now it looks better. So this is our two routes we have. If the booking is created, then just create a Ora card. If the booking is updated or deleted or anything else, just stop. Okay, so we are going to create a workflow for this particular route. Okay, if the booking is created, so just click on settings. Okay, so basically we have a if statement. In the ID, we just have to type as booking is created. Okay, now this equals to, now we have to set the value. So the value is booking is created. So let's go here. Okay, and you will find the booking created. Copy this. Okay, simply go back and make it as booking created. Okay, so that only continue if the booking is created equal to, and just paste this value, booking created. Okay, so when we click on save and send test request, it will show that when a booking is created is equal to booking created, the value is success or true. Basically, when a booking is created, then only the value should be true. Okay, so just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the status as success, and this is the message that is the condition is true. So basically this means if the booking created is equal to booking created, the status is success. For example, if the booking created was equal to booking updated, the status would have shown as failed, or the message would have shown the condition as false, or it would have given something else like error or something. Okay, so my point is at present, if the booking created is equal to booking created, all we have to do is create a card in Ora. So to do that, just click on this plus button. Okay, so now we are ready to create a card in Ora. So when you click on this plus button, you know we have an action window. So in the Choose app, how about we make it as Ora? Okay. Now in the action event, we want to just create a card. So just click this and just click on Connect with Ora. Okay, just click on Connect with Ora. Okay, so now Pabbly Connect is asking permission to access my Ora account. So before you click on allow, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so on the basis of that trust, just click on allow. Okay, so as you can see, we have connected with Ora, and when you scroll down, you see a set of blanks. Okay, so the purpose of this blank is very simple. We are going to create a card from the data that we have received from Teamdeck via Pabbly Connect. Before we map in the details, let me tell you something. Let me show you something. So as you can see, we have this blank called as the deadline. Okay, so and it is demanding the deadline, the time format as this. Okay, so this is a UTC format, and we have the data. Okay, so let me show you the data. Let me show you the data here only. Okay, so we are going to fill in the data as this date, the end date. Okay, so as you can see, we don't have the total UTC format, so we have to change this particular date into UTC format. So how do we do that? It's actually pretty easy. So scroll up, and first we are going to just click on this plus button, and in the action window we are just going to create on date for time formatter, this one. And in the action event, we are just going to click on format date only. Okay, then click on connect with date time formatter. Okay, so when you click on date time formatter, you have a blank called as the date. So here we are going to map in the date. So this is called as the mapping button. Click this and type date. So we have the end date. So we just have to change this particular date into the format we want. So as you can see, when we click this, we have a series of formats. We want this particular format. It actually involves the word T. Okay, so we just want, okay, this is the format. Okay, so this is the format. As you can see, this is the format we want. Okay, which it involves, the way you recognize is actually simple. It involves the word T. Okay, so this is the format you want. Just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, the API response is showing the result as the format, the date format in which we want. Okay, so it involves the letter T. That's the way I recognize it. Okay, so now we are ready to sync in the data. So just again click on connect with Ora. Okay, so just go and click on connect with Ora. Okay, just click on save. Okay, so when we scroll down, actually I mentioned before, we have a set of blanks. For example, in the first blank, we have this title called as project, and we expand this. So we have a series of projects, that is welcome project, my project 1, new project, new probe, Manhattan, Trinity, Sunshine, Starlight, and so on. Basically, all those projects that is present here. Okay, so these are the projects I have. All those projects that is present here will be reflected here. Okay, so all those projects that is present here will be reflected here. This is because we have connected Ora to Pabbly Connect. So basically Pabbly Connect is just reading those data. So for example, if we just create a project, I'm just going to create a project, and the name of the project, I'm going with the to-do list, and the name of the project is sunshine water. Sunshine water, no, how about rainfall, rainbow. Okay, rainbow. So the project name is rainbow, and I'm just going to click on icon. Okay, so this is the icon, and the background is this one, and I'm just going to confirm and create a project. Okay, so as you can see, a project called as rainbow has been created. So let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me refresh this. Okay, so when we refresh this and again expand this, you will find the project called as rainbow. So I'm going to create a card in this project called as rainbow. Now in the rainbow, there is only one list, that is the to-do list. So how about we create one more list? So the name of the list is unicorn. Okay, and we can give some color. How about black? Okay, so just click on OK and just click on create. Okay, so a list called as unicorn has been created. So let me refresh this. Okay, so yes, we have a list called as unicorn. So my point is, any variation that is bought in Ora, when you refresh this, it will be reflected in Pabbly Connect, because Pabbly Connect is now integrated with Ora. Okay, so now we are going to create a cart in Ora in this project and this particular list. So to begin the cart making process, we have to enter the title. So I'm going to enter the title as the description that we have got, maintain Tesla. Okay, so we have mapped the description that we have got from Teamdeck. Now in the description, we will just enter again the same description. We don't have any other details regarding that, so just enter the description again. And in the deadline, okay, so as you may know this, we have changed the time format. So this is the format. Okay, so we have entered format. Okay. So we have entered all the details. Just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been given to Ora. So let's have a look whether we have a card called as maintaining Tesla. Oh yes, we have a card called as maintain Tesla. Excellent. So the presence of this card in Ora shows that we have successfully integrated Teamdeck to Ora with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if the integration is working fine or not. So before we do that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So this is my Pabbly Connect account. So I'm just clicking on save. Okay, so just click on done. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. So let me minimize my trigger window and let me minimize my router. Okay, so this is the whole process. So first you integrated Teamdeck to Pabbly Connect. Okay, and then you have used the routers. So in the routers you have made two routes. That is, if the booking is created, then just create an Ora card. If the booking is updated, deleted, or anything else, just stop. Okay, so if the booking is created, so you just went to click on settings. Okay, so here you have assigned a filter. Okay, so you assigned a filter, that is if statement, and if you made a condition, if the booking is created equal to booking created, all you have to do is go to the datetime formatter, and then you have used the datetime formatter to format the date. Okay, so the format of the date is, as I mentioned, is the UTC format, and then you have created a card in Ora. Excellent. So just click on done and let's make one more booking. So we are going to create a booking from Saturday. Okay, 16. It looks empty. So the person I'm assigning is some guy called as Aaron Maxwell. Okay, we have a guy called as Aaron Maxwell and the end date is on 23. Excellent. And the tag can be billable. Okay, and the description is SpaceX meeting. Okay, so I'm just naming Elon Musk's company. Okay, so just click on save. Okay, so a project or a booking has been made, and this is assigned to this guy called as Aaron Maxwell, and this is 8 per day, and this is billable. Okay, excellent. So let's have a look in Ora. Do we have a card? Let me refresh this. Yes, we have a card called as SpaceX meeting. So the presence of this card shows that our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new Teamdeck booking is made, it will be reflected as a card in Ora.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.